Workout complete. That was quite intense. Jump rope. That's exactly what I'm about to do, and I will be using the half-pound Crossrope, and I'm going to pair that with the Crossrope A and P handles, which Dave Hunt, the founder, and his team generously sent to me to try. So this will be the first time but I'm quite curious about these A and P handles. One exception though, if I'm trying to learn a move or a jump rope trick and I'm trying to increase my repetition count, then keeping count of how many hops I do can be very helpful. Let's say, for example, double unders. If the maximum number of double unders you can do is 20, one technique that I recommend is doing half the number of repetitions that you can do. So if you can do 20, do a bunch of sets of 10. Do that for several weeks, and then take a few days off, and then try again. See how many double unders you can do. And more often than not, you will find that the maximum number of double unders that you can do will have surpassed 20. So take the maximum number of a move that you can do and do several sets of half that amount. So using A and P handles, for example, these could be very helpful for keeping track of hops in that case. And I know a lot of people, I've read a lot of feedback about the A and P handles. Some people, for exercise, they find statistics or being able to keep track of stats very helpful, very motivating. And these A and P handles, the Crossrope app in combination with them, there are tons of workouts where people can follow along. So some people like that motivation of being able to follow a workout app and keep track of their stats. It motivates them to work out if there are workouts that they can follow. So I'm going to give these a try for the very first time. I'm going to set my timer for 21 minutes. I'll do the basic boxer skip and just get an idea of how many hops I do. So, workout complete. That was quite intense. So I jumped rope for approximately 21 minutes. Took a few seconds there to get things set up and get going. And it looks like I did just over 3,000 jumps. I was using the basic boxer skip, and I was varying the intensity. But the key thing when I was skipping there, I was only nasal breathing. I wasn't using my mouth at all. So I was going at a pace where I could keep a conversation going, and I would gradually increase and decrease the intensity. So when I picked up the intensity, if I started to feel like my arms were fatiguing or I would have to start mouth breathing, I dropped the intensity and started jumping rope a little bit slower. And I just kept that going for approximately 21 minutes. So that was my first time using the A and P handles. Pretty cool how you can keep track of how many hops you do like that. As I said at the intro, or in the intro of this video, that's something I usually don't do. But having said that, after doing this workout, it's pretty cool to be able to watch the step count or the hop count go up, and you can see the time. So if you have a set number of hops in your mind that you'd like to accomplish using a certain jump rope move or varying different jump rope moves, you could do that. So that's kind of pretty cool. I think there's like a membership fee per month. With these handles, you have to pay like a membership fee each month if you want to access the being able to keep track of your hops and use the various workouts online. Maybe in the future, Crossrope, they might reduce the membership fee. Maybe they'll get rid of the membership fee. I don't know, but so that's my first time trying the handles. I just wanted to give you an idea of what they're like. And even if you don't use the app, the function, or to keep track of how many hops you do, or the workouts, you don't use the workouts, you can still use these handles like a basic jump rope handle. That was a pretty cool experience. Just over 3,000 jumps using the basic boxer skip with the half-pound Crossrope. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you again very soon.